Yeah, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you.
Shit. Bonnet on me, you know the vibes. Yeah. Long time no see, I know. I don't have anything to say. I have no excuse. I think I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive. Appreciate everybody for sticking with me, subscribing, liking, commenting. I really do appreciate it. It warms my heart, man. For real, we about to go on this little cruise. I'm gonna meet y'all outside in the V without the bonnet. Peace. Not gonna cap. She a little dirty right now, but look how dirty she is. Oh my God. Clean the front windshield though, you feel me? Damn, that shit is hella clear. Just a wee bit loud. All right, how we looking? I ain't gonna lie. This is gonna be a very short video. I gotta invest in a GoPro, bro. I don't know, like usually for me, I usually start out in comfort and then just like make my way up after that. I know there's a lot of people that start in sport or sport plus. Me, I'm still stock AF. So only thing I really got is that in performance exhaust, and that's about it, bro. I do want to get this downpipe, but it's kind of in the process right now. So warm her up, and once I got it warmed up, I will come back to you hear my brakes, But yeah, once it's warmed up, I'll come back to y'all. Come on, man. This is one-handed right now. Like manual mode, one fucking handed is crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. I promise, man, anything for the content, dog. We really outside right now. Damn, bro. I really ended that shit for real. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that Tesla low-key shitting on this, on both of us, matter of fact. I might have to go get them back, I ain't gonna lie. so much fucking gas right now, it's ridiculous. But it's cool though, cause it's all for the content, man. You know the vibes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Yeah. Keep it cool, man. Look both ways before you cross the street. We good. Yo, these people probably hate me. Sliding through this bitch. Check both sides, we're good. Oh, it's missed a little, I think that was a scat pack right there. Oh my goodness. Yo, I got too many clips. That's probably it.
Dropping no motherfucking B-roll. I was just praying.